Escher Incorporated is the prime contractor for the installation of 2 new cooling towers and chillers for Georgia State University's 20-story Student Success Building in downtown Atlanta. Because of site limitations, the pieces will need to be lifted by Skycrane to the rooftop. The huge units begin their journey as 8 pieces, 4 cooling tower sections and 4 chiller sections. The sections will be transported to the staging area by a tractor-trailer convoy, with each truck carrying 2 of the pieces.
Slow and steady wins the race today, guys. You know, it's real easy to get in a hurry. So windy under this thing. I can sit here and tell you how windy it is, but until you're really under it, you don't know. It's hurricane force winds.
T&D Machine Handling Incorporated will be the ground crew for this project that handles the rigging, staging, and equipment pickup. Siller Helicopters Incorporated have been engaged to lift the equipment using the legendary Sikorsky Skycrane, a heavy lift helicopter capable of lifting up to 20,000 pounds. The cooling tower area on the roof will be home to the 2 massive cooling towers that draw 980 tons of combined airflow. 2 11,000-pound sections make up each cooling tower, and the entire structure will rest on massive steel I-beams. The equipment will arrive to the rooftop with rigging cables that will be used by the roof crew to guide the equipment into place. The electronic quick-release clips will enable the pilot to easily release the load once signaled by the crew. There are also 4 chiller sections that will be assembled into 2 complete chillers inside the mechanical room. The sections are going to be carefully lowered through a hole in the roof and then maneuvered onto pre-poured concrete pads for later assembly. There are 2 teams on the roof today. Both locations have a member of the helicopter crew relaying information to the Skycrane pilots. We are Escher Incorporated, with 35 years of experience and a professional team with extensive industry knowledge that understands the logistics and safety aspects of complex construction projects. Call the Atlanta Lift experts, Escher Incorporated, for your next big HVAC installation.